Hello, welcome to another Mohr circle example, this time compression and compression. Okay, so looking here, both of these on the vertical and the horizontal are compression. That means both of them will be negative. So on the vertical here we have 50. You can see the shear is 15 counterclockwise, because it's trying, if you look at the vertical surface, it's in that direction. And the horizontal, it's 80. Okay, so to get our 2 points, we have, let's see, they're both negative because they're both compression. Now we already established on the vertical that it's in counterclockwise, that means it's negative. So it's negative 15. And this one, the opposite. So 15, it's trying to go in the clockwise direction. Okay, so now to calculate the center of the circle and the radius of the circle, where you can do that right here, where the center is basically the average of the two stress values, and you have the equation for the radius right here. These values should come out to be negative 65 for the center with a radius of 21. Okay, so here you go. Now notice when everything is compression, the maximum value total is going to be 0. Beyond that, it would get into tension. Here you have your P1, your P2, your sigma values. You have your principal shear, the maximum shear. Here's your vertical point, and the center is right there. So to calculate your sigma P1 and P2, you can use this equation right here, where it's basically the center right here plus or minus its radius, and that will come out to be negative 44, negative 86. Remember, I'm rounding these to whole integers. Your principal tau is going to be the same as the radius of the circle, which is 21. Now notice how your tau p is separate from your maximum shear, where maximum shear is basically the maximum value. It's on this larger circle that has the true maximum values. So you'll take your maximum value on the left here, which is going to be P2, so negative 86 to 0, the radius of that. So negative 86 minus 2. Here I'll show you the equation. Sigma max minus sigma min over 2. So your max is 0 and your min is negative 86. Divide by 2. That will come out to be 43. And your theta p, you can see it goes from the vertical point counterclockwise up to P1. That means it's going to be positive. And that corresponds right here with this. You can use this equation. And the angle that you should get is 22.5, we'll round up to 23. And there you go.